Hi, I'm Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Let's try to understand if there are any fertility benefits of non-vegetarian foods. We'll look at high-quality, complete proteins first. Animal proteins provide all 9 essential amino acids needed for hormone production, egg and sperm development, and embryo support. They also support ovarian follicular growth and sperm production. The sources could be chicken, fish, eggs, lean red meat, etc. Then we also have animal proteins which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially from fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel. They help in improving blood flow to the reproductive organs, reduce inflammation, and enhance egg and sperm quality. They also support embryo implantation and early pregnancy this way. Omega-3 also helps regulate hormones and improves PCOS-related infertility. There is essential element like zinc also present in animal protein. The fertility mineral abundantly found in red meat, shellfish, especially oysters, poultry, are very critical for testosterone production, sperm count, motility, ovulation, and egg development. Zinc deficiency is linked to low sperm quality and menstrual irregularities. Iron is also very important for ovulation and implantation, and the heme iron from red meat, liver, chicken is absorbed much better than plant-based protein. It's essential for preventing anovulation, maintaining endometrial lining, supporting embryo growth in early pregnancy also. Studies show women with low iron have higher infertility rates and a risk of miscarriage. Vitamin B12 for DNA synthesis and hormonal balance is also present. It's found only in animal proteins like eggs, meat, fish, liver, and it's important for egg and sperm DNA integrity, prevents neural tube defects during early pregnancy, and supports estrogen and progesterone balance. B12 is usually deficient in vegetarian or vegan diets unless supplemented externally. L-carnitine, which is essential for sperm energy, is also found in red meat. L-carnitine helps in improving sperm energy and make them more efficient, that is, motility is also improved. Also protects sperm from oxidative stress. Selenium and CoQ10, which is found in seafood, organ meats, and chicken, improves sperm morphology, motility, and egg mitochondrial function. Selenium also supports thyroid function, which is critical for fertility. So in summary, while non-vegetarian foods offer fertility benefits, quality and moderation also are key. Choose lean cuts, grass-fed meats, and wild-caught fish. Limit processed meats like sausages and bacon due to harmful additives. Pair it with antioxidant-rich vegetables to balance inflammation. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.